Educarians, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and enjoying your online classes. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. For this class, we are going to cover two chapters of Unit 5. Chapter number 3, Rights of the People. Chapter number 4, Responsibilities of the People. So students, do you have your stationery with you? You must have your social studies textbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener and ruler. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to know rights of people as citizens, responsibilities of people as citizens. Recapitulation of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Dear students, in chapter 1, we studied about a government. What is a government? A group of people that makes rules and laws for people and work for their health, education and care is called a government. Then we studied the role of the government, that a government protects its people from thieves, bad people and enemies. It provides schools, hospitals, roads, parks and rescue services for its people. Let's start reading. Today we will study what are rights of people as citizens and what are their responsibilities. So dear educarians, open Social Studies textbook, page number 40 and 41. We will read those pages. First of all, I want to tell you what is the difference between rights and responsibilities. Rights. A right is something that a person should have. Responsibilities. A responsibility is a duty of a person. So open page number 40 of your Social Studies textbook. Unit number 5, The Importance of Government, and chapter number 3, Rights of the People. First of all, write today's day, date and today's task on the top of the page. Now let's start the topic. What are rights? A right is something that a person should have. For example, people have the right to live safely or the right to drink clean water. The following are the rights of people: the right to education, the right to health care, the right to safety, the right to food and water, the right to shelter, the right to be respected and loved. Rights of people. So as I told you that a right is something that a person should have. So these are some rights of people. The right to education. It is the right of every citizen to get education. तालीम हासिल करना और तालीम तक रसाई हर शहरी का हक है. So the government should make more and more schools, colleges and universities. The right to health care. It is also the right of every citizen to have health care facilities. सेहत की सहूलियात हासिल करना भी हर शहरी का हक है. So the government should build hospitals for that. The right to safety. It is also the right of every citizen to feel safe. It is the responsibility of the government to protect lives and properties of its people. The right to food and water. It is the right of every person to have food and water. खुराक और साफ पानी हर शहरी का हक है, तो हुकूमत को साफ पानी की फराहमी और खुराक की फराहमी यकीनी बनाने के लिए काम करना चाहिए. The right to shelter. To have home and shelter is also a right of every citizen. Government should provide shelter and home to its people. The right to be respected and loved. It is also the right of every citizen to be respected. So the government should respect the differences of the people. Now take out page number 41, that is chapter number 4, Responsibilities of People. First of all, write today's task on the top of the page. Now let's start the topic. What are responsibilities? Like we have rights, we also have responsibilities towards other people. A responsibility is a duty of a person. You are responsible for studying hard, being honest, being polite to others, taking care of public property, following rules, not wasting food and water. Rights and responsibilities go together. A right of a person is a responsibility for another one. For example, it is your right to go to school. As a result, it is the responsibility of your parents to send you to school. Moreover, it is now your responsibility to pay attention in class and work hard. So class, we are responsible for studying hard, being honest, being polite to others, taking care of public property, following rules, not wasting food and water. So my dear students, if you want to have rights, you should also fulfill your responsibilities. Remember, rights and responsibilities go together. हकूक और जिम्मेदारियां हमेशा साथ साथ चलती हैं. So students, open page number 42 of your social studies textbook. Write today's task on this page. We are going to learn new vocabulary, the word and their meanings. First word is judge, and its meaning is someone who decides what is correct if there is a disagreement. Munsif ya qazi. Right. A right is something that a person should have. Haq. Responsibility. A duty of a person. जिम्मेदारी, protect, to keep someone or something safe, हिफाजत करना या तहफ़्फ़ुज़ देना, provide, to give someone something they need, फराहम करना, safety, protection, हिफाजत करना. Lesson of the day: you can be a good social member of society if you fulfill your responsibilities as a citizen. Task to do: learn definition of right, learn definition of responsibility, revise social studies textbook reading of page number 40 till 42. So, my dear students, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.